I draw it.
You draw it?
I go to the lines.
Hey, good morning sa inyong lahat. In this video, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano katalentado itong bunso namin, si Kobe.
Dinosaur for me?
Check it out guys. Mamamangha kayo dun sa galing niya. Sana mapanood nyo hanggang dulo para ma-amaze tayong lahat sa kanya.
Go draw again.
Okay.
You have a new dinosaur drawing? Wow! Oh, wow! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, what kind of dinosaur is that?
A T-Rex.
A T-Rex! Wow!
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 Ala, gumagaling na
I'm
yung
a drawer. I'm a painter.
Okay. You,
I'm super smart of going to the lines.
okay.
You have to go to the lines.
How about horse? Can you draw a horse?
No, but someone has to subscribe tomorrow.
What?
Someone has to subscribe tomorrow. If someone subscribe already, I will draw a horse.
If someone subscribes?
But yeah, but tomorrow.
Okay. That?
Siren head.
Siren head?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh!
Wow!
Wow! Really?
Yeah, I go to the line super good.
Oh, wow!
Can you paint everything when it has lines?
Uh-huh.
You have to draw it super easy. You have to go to the line
Oh, I see.
like that.
Okay. Okay. Let me think. Can you draw what do you call it? The insect The insect?
Skin.
No, the insect that is coming in our house.
Beetle?
Beetle? No, the other one.
Ladybug.
Oh, ladybug. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You can close the door. Do not sleep. Okay.
Okay.
Just close your eyes. Do not peeking. Okay.
Okay.
No peeking. Okay.
Okay.
No.
What are you going to show us?
I draw a ladybug and I go to the line.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Can I see? Wow, this is a ladybug.
Yeah.
Oh, ladybug.
I go to the line super easy.
Super easy?
I'm a painter.
Oh, wow. How about, can you draw, you know my tractor? Can you draw that?
No, too expensive. You can't.
Yeah.
But only on the L's.
Huh?
Easy. I'll draw like
What? Dragonoid? You can draw that? Are you sure? That's Dragonoid.
Dragonoid.
Okay. Okay.
Close the door. Do not open the door and peek at the door. Okay.
Okay.
No peeking.
What's that?
I draw the Dragonoid to go to the line super good.
Oh.
Try go.
Okay, let's see. Let's see, okay? 1, 2. Oh, look at that. Look at that, mommy. Show it to me. Show it to me. Wow.
Yeah.
Dragonoid.
Yeah.
This is super cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's super cool, right? I go to the lines to super top.
Oh, I see.
Like Dragonoid right there.
Oh, yeah.
Just like the same of Dragonoid. I'll show you. Just wait.
Okay, okay.
Do not close the door.
Okay. Oh, show it. Oh,
It
really?
looks like the same.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the tail are actually the same.
Oh, like that. Oh, you see? You see, mommy? You see? No. No, show it. No.
Oh, yeah.
The other way around. Like that. Oh, yung point of view niya. Yung point of view niya. Wait. Just put it there. Just like that, mommy. Oh.
Kaya
Yung nandun yung ano niya, yung kasi tinitingnan niya eh.
It looks like the
Oh,
same.
okay.
It looks the same.
Really? Yeah.
It looks like Dragonoid.
Yeah, okay.
It's Dragonoid.
Okay. Very good. Can you draw a little bit longer? Huh?
The tail?
No, I mean the time. Longer time. Because you're disturbing us. Okay, go. Okay. Can you draw a train with 100 carts? Yeah. Naisahan natin, guys. Kailangan 100 na carts na train para mahaba yung oras niya. Kasi palaging kumakatok eh. What's that?
I go to the lines and I draw to the train.
Train?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I think you're going to surprise us again. 1, 2. Wow!
Again.
Wow!
It's
What's that?
It's a super train.
Super train
With horns.
with horns?
Yeah.
Wow!
You said
Parang
me
yung
to
kay
make
Elon
a
Musk
super
yan,
a super train.
Super
I
train.
think that's Elon Musk train, super train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Super tough.
Super tough.
Wait, I forgot the spikes.
Huh?
I forgot to try the spikes.
Spikes?
I forgot to draw the spikes on the back.
Okay.
Do not close the door.
Okay. Faster.
Please do not close the door.
Sa tingin ko, bilan natin to ng yung drawing table niya.
Look at it now.
Can you see? Where? Oh, there's the spikes. Wow. Super cool. Wow. What is the name? How do you call that?
Super train.
Super train?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's super tough.
Oh, super tough. You're so good in drawing.
Yeah, I go to the lines.
Oh.
You have to go to the lines. If I go to the lines, I use my brain.
Oh, you use your brain. Sana all.
Son, son,
Okay, go. One more drawing. Just draw anything, and you show us. Then we'll go somewhere else. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
The one when it's like it's a toy.
Yeah.
It was
Okay. Okay. Okay.
draw huggy huggy.
A
Okay.
surprise.
Surprise. Okay.
Yeah.
What's that?
I draw huggy huggy super smart. Don't I go to life?
Wow.
This is the little smile, like yeet,
Oh. Oh.
black. It's black.
Yeah.
I even made it blue, but I didn't have any blue color.
Okay.
But that's okay.
That's okay.
Okay. That's good.
That's all the characters. You wanna see it?
So yun nga guys, nagulat kami doon sa mga drawing ni Kobe, pero ang pinaka na-surprise kami lahat, etong drawing niya ngayon.
This way.
Tingnan nyo kung ano itong ginawa niya. Wala kaming sinasabi niya gawin niya ito, pero ipinakita niya sa amin.
Three.
Wow.
Okay.
Galing naman. Okay.
Tell us what is in there.
Okay.
Okay. This is. Oh, I just realized that, but that's okay. That's me, and that's Dad, and that's Mommy, and that's Louis, and that's Goya Kelvin, and that's Tito Dicto, and that's what's that called? Queen Mark.
Oh. Okay.
We have a lot of.
What's on the top?
What?
What's on the top
What?
of the people?
Go. What's that?
Kobe and the hearts.
Wow.
I
It
guess
means
Means-
Kobe made that.
loves.
Loves everyone.
Yeah, very good.
Very good. Ang galing.
I love you, all of you.
I love all of you.
It says I just love you all.
You
day.
forgot one.
What?
How about ate?
At the camp?
La, you forgot.
Oh yeah, because there's a space right there.
Oh, okay.
Laugh, guy, okay?
Ginaggan ni Kuya yung
Oh,
ginaggan ni Kuya yung
teka.
kalabasan ng palapad at medyo mahahaba, guys. Pwede pala to, guys, pang negosyo, oh. Pagkatapos niyan, guys, ay pranito nila. Tingnan niyo naman, guys, yung finished product nila para.
Oh, that's Ate Kim?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
First, but we need a house first.
Okay.
Oh, that's house.
Muna ang ating video. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po mag-share and subscribe kayo sa ating channel Thumbs Up TV. Magandang araw, oras po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye!